In this video, I will show you how to create an Android app from scratch using Base44. Let's get started. I begin on the Base44 home screen where I am prompted to describe the app I want to build. In the text box, I type a detailed prompt for a mobile-first workout tracking dashboard with a dark minimalist layout, an interactive progress ring, and an exercise checklist. After selecting the plan and hitting send, the AI begins building my idea. In just a few seconds, Base44 outlines the features, including the minimalist design, the circular progress indicator, and the exercise animations. Once the build is complete, my dark workout dashboard is live. I can now see the fully functional interface, which features a sleek Today's Workout section with a completion percentage and a list of exercises. I click the Publish button at the top right to make the app public. This generates a unique URL that I can copy and open in a new tab. To test the app, I log in using my Google account. The mobile view displays the interactive progress ring perfectly. As I check off exercises like barbell squats and bench presses, the completion percentage and calorie count update in real time with smooth animations. This demonstrates how Base44 can take a simple text prompt and turn it into a professional, data-driven mobile application in minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.